Lesson 20. Now, remember a while back I said you got all the different forms of ta pretty much? And I said pretty much? Well, because there's more. So we had past, present, and future. There is a habitual tense in Irish, and most verbs it's the same as the present tense, the present habitual. You can't tell the difference. Chéim go dtí an pharc gach lá. Chéim go dtí an pharc gach lá. Every day I do that, so it's a habitual thing. I'm chéim, I go, right? But ta has a special form. So if it's something that happens over and over again, time becomes beam. And then it becomes bein to, bein she, bein she, beamage, bein shiv, bein shid. The negative is nivim. The question is on meme. So the only thing to remember is the beam, beamage, and bein with all the regular pronouns that you're used to. And that you use this when you're talking about repeated action or continuing action. So they give the example, time skull, I am at school at this moment. Beam skull gach lá, I'm at school every day. So that's the difference. Okay? Beam anseo go minic, I am often here. Ní bhíonn sé riamh anseo, he's never here, ever. Okay? So practice the habitual.